Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to upload your images in your Google Drive very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to click on new option and here you can select file upload. And then you have to select the images that you want to upload in your Google Drive. For example, I want to upload these two images. Then I will just select these images and then just click on open and click on upload. And you can see these two images are uploaded in my Google Drive successfully. I will just refresh it and you can see we have successfully uploaded two images in our Google Drive folder. So guys, in this way you can upload images in your Google Drive very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.